Hi! Isa ka ba sa mga naghahanap ng bahay na malapit sa SM Fairview, North Caloocan, and Quezon City? Naghahanap ng bahay na kung saan yung isang subdivision na hinahanap mo ay malinis, fresh yung hangin, flood-free, no fault line, complete yung ating amenities with swimming pool, clubhouse, basketball court, children's playground, and of course, yung pwede ka makapag-jogging mismo sa loob ng community. Hi! Good morning future homeowners and investors. This is Rog Camacho, your licensed real estate broker. And andito tayo ngayon sa Metrogate San Jose by Moldex Realty para ipakita namin sa inyo yung isang bahay na nasa likod ko na merong 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath at provision for a car garage. Ngayong araw, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung aming bungalow house na lot na mayroong lot area na 84 square meters at ang kanyang floor area naman ay 35 square meters. Walang iba kundi ang aming the model ay mayroong lot area na 84 square meters minimum and we have also a bigger lot like 96 square meters. So ngayon, tatalakayin muna natin yung ating 84 square meters na lot area Sandy model. So meron siyang floor area na 35 square meters. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and a parking lot. But bago natin sisimulan ang ating house tour, invite ko po kayong i-click yung subscribe button and i-hit yung notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa aking video. And also, please like our Facebook page, Rent to Own House Factory PH by RCC Realty. Alright, yung ating Metrogate San Jose ay malapit po siya sa Star Mall San Jose. That's around 15 minutes away. And it's also near to SM Tungko at malapit din tayo sa Sample Market kung saan around 10 minutes away lang. So along the highway tayo kung saan sa harap ng highway ay meron na pong bus papuntang Balintawak. So yung ating subdivision ay tinatawag nitong Little Tagaytay dahil sa malamig na klima dahil napapalibutan tayo ng maraming puno dito mismo sa loob ng Moldex Subdivision. Ito ay located sa Barangay Sapang Palay proper, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. And we can guarantee you na it's 101% flood free, no fault line free, at higit sa lahat, fresh na fresh yung hangin na hahampas sa'yo pagdating dito sa Metrogate San Jose. Meron tayong frontage na 7 meters wide. So from here hanggang doon sa may palm tree na yon, yun po yung ating frontage ng ating bahay. So this space, you can use this as your parking area. And you have a huge space for your garden. So if you're inspiring plantitos and plantitas, you still have enough space for your plants. Then, itong side na okay, hanggang dito, yan, sa kahoy na yan, is yan po yung ating space. Yun po yung ating setbacks. So, kasama yan sa pagbili natin. Hanggang dito naman sa likod. Yan. So, meron tayong space dito, dito. Okay. So, ito, pwede natin ditong ipasok yung ating, or i-move natin dito yung ating kitchen area. Tapos, dito naman, yan. Pwede na rin natin itong gawin as our service area. Papasukin na natin kung ano nga ba yung itsura ni Sandy Model Unit. Kung gaano nga ba kalaki pag pinasukan na natin siya ng gamit. So by the way, yung ating papasukin ngayong bahay ay model unit lang. Ibig sabihin, din rest up namin, yung mga gamit na nakasama dito sa loob, hindi po siya kasama. So ang turnover namin, walang tiles, pero may partition and paint, pati na rin po yung kisame. Okay. Okay, so pagpasok natin sa bahay, is andito yung medyo maliit lang na living area. Tapos, dito sa side na ito, andito naman yung ating dining area. Tapos, dito naman sa portion na to, is andito naman yung ating sink or yung ating kitchen area. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo pong mas malaki itong ating living area and dining area, pwede natin itong i-move yung kitchen area dito sa likod kasi we have enough space here at your back. Ayan po. Tapos, so, as I've said, ano po siya? 2 bedrooms po siya. So, first room, puntahan natin si master's bedroom. So, for master's bedroom, nagkasya naman dito yung queen size bed. Okay? So, this is our queen size bed. So, ang sukat ng kanilang master's bedroom, it's roughly around 2.5 meters by 3.5 meters. So, ganun po siya kalaki. Hindi pa kasama yung cove lights, hindi kasama yung chandelier, of course, at itong mga gamit na nakikita ninyo ngayon. So, ang turnover namin is plain po na white yung paint. Tapos, meron din tayo ditong bintana sa side. Ayan. So, next, pasukin natin si second room. So, this is our second room. For our second room, nasa mga 2 meters by 3 meters to 3.5 meters naman yung laki ng ating pangalawang kwarto. So dito, nilagyan siya ng single na higaan. Tapos dito, pwede ka maglagay dito ng inyong cabinet. So ito yung cabinet mo, tapos mayroon ditong yan, vanity table para sa anak ninyong babae. Ang sisilipin naman natin ay yung kanilang toilet and bath. So for their toilet and bath, ang turnover po ng kanilang toilet and bath is, eto siya. So, may sink, may lavatory, may toilet bowl, and, of course, a shower area. Okay, ayan siya. So, ang tiles po niya is hanggang dito lang, hindi po sagad. Hindi siya from floor to ceiling. So, kung gusto niyo pong later on, isagad niyo po siya hanggang taas. So, nasa inyo na po yun, guys. Ganun po yung ating Sandy model unit, Mayroon siyang 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and provision for a car garage. Is bungalow. Ideal ito sa mga buyer natin na naghahanap ng bahay na nasa baba lahat yung kwarto. By the way guys, yung ating lot area is 84 square meters. Ang kanyang floor area naman is 35 square meters. So, ganun siya. Malaki yung kanyang lot. Kung gusto niyo pa mag second floor soon, pag nabayaran niyo na yung buong total contract price, then nasa inyo na po yun. Alright, so yung price po ng ating Sandy model unit with a lot area of 84 square meters and the floor area of 35 square meters is, then down payment for our Sandy model unit is, at ang kanyang reservation fee is, at ang kanyang monthly down payment, at ang kanyang monthly amortization for 20 years through bank financing is. For more details about this project, trippings, and reservations, please dial this number na i-flash namin sa screen. Then, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para pag mayroon akong bagong videos na upload sa aking channel, agad po namin kayong manonotify. Again, this is Rog Camacho, your licensed real estate broker. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.